Mabuhay! I'm Hannah Kishore Dialgo and I'm grade 12 student in Golden Faith Academy. Today I'm going to share a bit about myself. My purpose is to inform you about my capabilities as student slash achieving my goal. My life isn't about academic, it's about striving toward a future I envision, a future built on foundation through hard work and dedication to achieve my goal. I believe continuous learning not just within the confines of a classroom but through challenges and experience that shape me into a better individual. This journey of a growth and self-discovery is truly define my student experience. My goal is to become a successful and of course a flight attendant. With this, I'm focusing to finish my studies and actively seeking opportunities to gain practical experience. I understand that success requires perseverance and adaptability, and I'm committed to embracing both throughout this process. I'm constantly seeking mentorship and guidance from those who have already achieved success in my chosen field. I believe that through dedication and hard work, I can make a positive impact on the world and achieve my aspiration. And again, I'm Hannah Kisharing Dialgo. See you soon when you abroad. Thank you.